Short press button A to heat. Press button A again to adjust the preset temperature. In heating state, short press button B. You can temporarily adjust the temperature. Also in heating state, long press the button A2. Increase the temperature with one click. Automatically cool down to the preset temperature when you let go. Short press button B to exit heating. Short press the button B2, enter the first level menu. Select the menu you want to adjust. Long press the button A2, enter the secondary menu. After finding the parameter that needs to be adjusted, press and hold the button A, entering adjustment mode. Use the buttons A and B to adjust the parameters. After adjustment, wait for 5 seconds, and the parameter setting is complete. Press and hold the button B to return to the main page. On the standby page, long press the button A2. View the internal resistance of the soldering iron tip. On the standby page, long press the button B to view the firmware version.